For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000, which he sells to the dealer B at some lower price. Further, dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price. If the rate of GST is 18% and the dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to rupees 324 to the government, find the amount inclusive of GST paid by dealer B. So what are the things given? Question number 8(1)(b). For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000. So what we want to write? So transaction is from, tell me please.
A to
Okay, A to B, then again from B to
C.
B to C. Oh, B to C. Don't write, first listen. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000. So list price means what? Another name for list price is what? Marked price. List price or marked price is given as rupees 9,000. Rupees 9,000. Then he sells to dealer B at some lower price. At some lower price. So what is that? He sells to dealer B at some lower price. So what is the meaning of that? We don't know how much amount, for how much amount he sell to dealer B. So that means let what will be? Let sell the amount means what will be that? Let the which one will be? Let the SP, we don't know the amount. So let the selling price be X. So we don't know the selling price. Marked price is given as what? 9,000. We don't know the selling price. Let it be X. Up to that understood? Then next 50. Once more. Okay. Marked price is given as 9,000. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is 9,000. List price means what? It is written in that. നമ്മളൊരു സാധനം വാങ്ങുന്ന സമയത്ത് അതിൽ എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് ലിസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ഫ്രോക്കിലും ഷർട്ടിലൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ലിസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ്. That is known as marked price. List price, another name for list price is marked price. പക്ഷെ ആ വിലയല്ല നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുക. താഴെ എന്ത് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും? ചിലപ്പോ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് എന്നൊക്കെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അപ്പൊ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളത്? സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ് നമ്മൾ എമൗണ്ട് കൊടുക്കാറുള്ളത്. Marked price of the list price is given as what? 9,000. List price or the marked price. Another name for list price is what? List price or marked price. Don't write MP, that is marked price. Okay. First sentence understood all of you? List price or the marked price is rupees 9,000, which he sells to dealer B at some lower price. So what is the meaning of that? ഇതേ വിലയിലല്ല ആർക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? ബിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? കുറച്ച് എമൗണ്ട് കുറച്ചിട്ടാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ എത്രയാണെന്ന് പറയുന്നില്ല. Got the difference between marked price and the selling price?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Selling price is 9,000. Selling price 9,000 ആണോ? Is it 10,000? No. What is that? ആ ആള് അതിനുള്ളൊരു വില നിശ്ചയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് 9,000 rupees ആണ്. പക്ഷേ അയാൾ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എത്രയോ എമൗണ്ട് കുറവായിട്ടാണ് അയാള് ആ സാധനം വിറ്റിരിക്കുന്നത്, സെൽ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ആ എമൗണ്ട് എത്രയാണെന്ന് നമുക്കറിയില്ല, നമ്മളോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. നമുക്ക് അസ്യൂം ചെയ്യാനേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ ദാറ്റ് എമൗണ്ട് ഈസ് വാട്ട്? Known as the selling price, no? So we don't know the selling price for how much amount that person gave. That we don't know. That we want to find out. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt ചോദിച്ചാള് clear ആയില്ലേ? Okay. So SP is equal to X. We don't know. Let SP is equal to X. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is 9,000, which he sells to dealer B at some lower price. Further, dealer B sells the same article to customer at its list price. At its list price. So meaning of that, SP is equal to X. Then what will be CP? SP is equal to X. So what will be CP of B?
X.
X itself. X itself. Then read the second sentence. Further, dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price. So what is the meaning of? Dealer B sells the same article. Dealer B is selling that article to the another one. Condition is what? Sells the same article to customer at its list price. At
9,000.
So what is that 9,000? At its list price means that
Yes.
it is that same amount 9,000. He sells. That means the dealer B sells to the another
Price.
person. So what is this 9,000? You are telling. Tell me.
Listed price.
Yes. Can we say it as a list price is given in the question? So for doing problem, which can we write list price here?
No.
Instead of list price, what?
Selling price.
Selling price only. Selling price, no. മനസ്സിലായോ പറഞ്ഞത്? Any doubt? Further, dealer B sells the same article to a customer to its list price. Dealer B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? എന്താണോ ആ ലിസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് അതേ എമൗണ്ടിലാണ് ബി എന്നുള്ള ആള് വേറൊരാൾക്ക് സെയിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ദാറ്റ് മാർക്ക്ഡ് പ്രൈസ് ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് ദ സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്?
Yes, ma'am.
ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ ഗേൾസ്? ഈ കണക്ഷൻ മനസ്സിലായോ?
മനസ്സിലായി.
Okay. Yes or no means I am confused about that yes or no. If you understood, you tell me that. Okay. So SP means ഈ SP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ല. അതിനേക്കാൾ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് SP X എഴുതിയത്? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ SP 9,000 എഴുതിയത്? Got the difference between that two?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
That means what? എത്രയോ എമൗണ്ട് കുറച്ചിട്ടാണ് മാർക്കറ്റ് പ്രൈസിനെക്കാട്ടിലും എത്രയോ എമൗണ്ട് കുറച്ചിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? എ എന്നുള്ള ആള് ബിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ മാർക്കറ്റ് പ്രൈസ് ഈസ് 9,000. സോ ലെസ് ദാൻ 9,000 ആണ് ഒരു എമൗണ്ട് ആണ് എ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വാട്ട്? പക്ഷേ ബി എന്നുള്ള ആള് സിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് എന്താണോ ലിസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് ആ ലിസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് തന്നെയാണ് ബി എന്നുള്ള ആള് അടുത്ത കസ്റ്റമറിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ കൊടുക്കുന്നത് മീൻസ് വാട്ട്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ദ സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ്. സോ സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ് വിൽ ബി 9,000 itself. Up to that clear? I think so. Okay. So what will be the CP for dealer C?
9,000.
9,000 itself. That means here it is the selling price, so CP will be 9,000. Then what other things we can do? What is our question? Find out what the amount paid by dealer B. Amount paid by dealer B we want to find out. We have to find out the amount paid by dealer B. So how can we find out? You can say. First step, what we want to do? We got all the things. Then next step, what we want to do? A to B transaction, B to C transaction, SP is here, CP, SB here, CP here. Then write down up to this given. List price or the market price given. Write down. Write down. List price or the market price. Another name for list price is market price is 9,000. Let SP is equal to X. Let SP is equal to X. SP of dealer, yes, that is better, I think so. SP of dealer A is equal to X. That is better. Let the SP of dealer A is equal to X. Therefore, CP of dealer B is equal to X. Also given SP of dealer B is what? 9,000. This step we want to write from the question. It is given in the question. That's why we are writing SP of dealer B is 9,000. That means the sentence is dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price. Then, therefore, CP of dealer P is equal to 9,000 itself. 9,000.
അത് കാണില്ല മാം. ആ ലൈൻ കാണണം.
From where you can see?
അടിയിൽ എഴുതിയ
അടിയില്
ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതിയില്ലേ?
ഇതിന്റെ താഴെ
ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതിയില്ലേ?
ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് താഴ്ത്താക്കി. ഞാൻ കുറച്ചുകൂടി താഴ്ത്തി. ഓക്കെ മാം.
ഇപ്പൊ മുകളിലത്തെ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can see?
മതി മതി മതി.
So CP of dealer C is equal to 9,000. Then next what we want to do? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next GST type we want to do. No, GST. So GST we can write. GST is given as what? Read the question properly, then otherwise it will make you confusion. If the rate of GST is 18% and dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to rupees 324 to the government. So what is given? GST is given as what? GST is given as, right now GST is equal to 18%.
18%.
So GST. How can we write this? GST is given. They are not telling me about intrastate or interstate. So we can take it as what?
18%.
18%. Dealer A. Yes or no? So tax.
Yes.
Tax. Will be
18% of 9,000.
what is given that 324? Some 324 is given there, no? 324 is given there. So what is that 324? Read the question.
Yes.
Dealer B
GST in
paid
rupees.
tax under GST. GST is given as 18%, but the dealer B paid a tax. That amount is given as what? 324. So what is that 324? What is that 324?
Tax.
Tax.
Yes.
GST tax.
That means what? The last final answer, that net tax is that, no? Net tax is which one?
324.
324. Net tax is 324 given. Usually we are doing which one? Net tax is equal to output tax minus input tax we are doing. Yes or no? Net tax, usual formula is what? Net tax of B is equal to what we are writing? Output tax minus input tax. Then just converse of this, not converse. Net tax is given as what? Net tax is given as what?
324.
Not right. First, I will explain. Net tax is given as what? 324. Read the question once again. If the rate of GST is 18% and the dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to 324 to the government. So dealer B paid a tax So that tax is known as the net tax. So 324 is the net tax. Then 324 is equal to what? Output tax minus input tax is our formula. So we want to find out which one? Output tax and input tax. So where is this output tax and where is this input tax? Transaction between A to B is an which tax?
Output tax.
Input tax. Input tax.
This is input tax. Then transaction from B to C?
Output tax.
Output tax.
Output tax. So if you have any confusion, don't write like this way. Let it be there. First we want to find a GST from A to B, no? So how can we find GST? GST.
80%
We are not writing
80%.
IGST or SGST or CGST. Why? Because in our question it is given as GST itself. So we can substitute that GST as 324. That's why we are writing what? GST. Simply GST using our construct is what? GST. We can find it as GST percentage form is 18% of
X.
X only we can write. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt, girls?
No, ma'am.
Transaction from A to B, we want to find the GST. So GST will be selling price is X. So GST will be 18% of X. For the transaction A to B. From A to, for the transaction from A to B, GST will be 18% of X. That GST is known as which GST? What's the name of that GST? Input tax. Input tax is what? 18% of X. That is 18% of X. Got it? So write down. Net tax is given as net tax is 324. Net tax is given as 324. Net tax means net tax of B is given as 324. That means net tax means output tax minus input tax. For finding the input tax, so first we want to find the GST in between A and B, transaction in between A and B. So write down for the transaction from A to B, for your knowledge only, for the transaction from A to B, write the side heading, that is better. Transaction from A to B transaction, GST will be what? GST is equal to, write down, 18% of X. So instead of this GST, we can replace this GST as what?
Input tax.
Another name, input tax. We can write another name for that. We can write it as input tax is equal to 18% of X. Then only we can substitute in that formula. We have net tax is equal to what? Output tax minus input tax is our formula. Then only we can substitute. So let it be the 18% of X. The similarly for the transaction from B to C. We have selling price, cost price, here also cost price. For the transaction from B to C, what will be? Same.
18% of
B to C, GST will be 18%
of 9,000. 9,000.
9,000. 9,000. Then write down 18% of 9,000. Write down. I think better like let it be there. 18. Let it be there. I think so. 18 by 100 into 9,000. Don't cancel. Let it be there. That is better. There also. Which one? First one. No, we wrote what? 18 by. No, wait. First we wrote no 18 input tax. What we wrote? 18% of 9,000. 18% of X. We wrote no. There also one more step you write 18 by 100 into X. That means input tax is equal to 18 by 100 into X. Let it be there. Then after that you want to write which one? For the transaction from B to C, GST. This is known as the
Output.
output tax is equal to 18 by 100 into 9,000. Up to this understood, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then net tax given, net already we wrote, no, net tax is given as what? 324. So next step what we want to write.
324 equal to
Net, our formula we want to write net tax paid by B. Net tax paid by B is equal to, formula we want to write first. That is better. Net tax paid by B is equal to formula output tax minus
input tax.
input tax. So we can substitute. Net tax paid by B is there in the question itself. It is given as
324.
324. 324 is equal to output tax. We found out, no? Output tax, what is the
18 by 100 into 9,000.
18 by 100 into output tax
9,000.
9,000 minus input
18
tax
by 100 into X.
18 by 100 into X. Up to that item. Then what we can write? 18 by 100 in both sides, no? So we can take 18 by 100 common. No need of multiplying again and again. Which way is better for you? 18 by 100 common we can take, or that is a good way. Or cancelling.
Canceling.
Cancelling method is good. Okay. So cancel this too. Then how can we cancel this? We can't cancel, no. I think it is difficult, no, LCM taking it on.
I'm common.
But way is common. DC way is common, I think so. You can do your own method, but 18 by 100, listen, 18 by 100 common means remaining will be what? 9,000 minus X. So 324. I think it is better.
Yes, sir.
18 by 100 common. So balance 9,000 minus X. Then we need X. Selling price, no. So for finding X, keep that 9,000 minus X in the right side itself. So if we take 18 by 100 to the left side, it will become what? Already 324 is there. So what will happen to this 18 by 100 if we take to the left side?
Into 100 by 18.
Reciprocal.
Into reciprocal into 100 by 18. Then cancel it. 18 into how much is 324? 18. Directly, if you know means it is easy. Table of squares. Square of
18.
18 into 18 is 324, no? Or do the calculation in the working column. Cancel by 2. Final answer you will get it as 18 there. Cancel with, if you don't know directly means cancel by 2. So directly if you cancel means 18 into 18 is 324. So 18 into 100 is equal to 9,000 minus X. So 1,800, 9,000 minus X. So next step what we can do?
Is equal to 9 minus 1,800.
That means this X we can take to the left side. So it will become positive X. So 9,000 already there. Then this 1,800 will become minus. So it will become minus 1,000. One more step I will write, that is better. Minus 1,800. So X is equal to what?
1,200.
7,200. Okay. Then, what is our question? Find the amount inclusive paid
paid by
dealer B. So how can we write? Inclusive of dealer B. Inclusive. Selling price is 7,200. Any idea? Yes, P is given as what? X.
7,200.
Now we got this as 7,200. So this also we have got 7,200. Now we got. Then amount including GST paid by B we want to find out. Amount inclusive of GST paid by dealer B, including GST. Including GST paid by B. It will be that amount plus tell me that amount, that is cost price plus what?
18% of
Yes.
7,200.
Very good. 18% of 7,200. That amount plus what? Tax also we want to find out. No, that amount 18%. Got it or not? All of
Yes.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, girls?
No doubt.
Okay. So right. So next step. Inclusive of GST, they asked to find out. So we got X is equal to 7,200. Therefore, write down. Therefore, amount including GST. Therefore, amount including GST. Inclusive of GST means including. No. Amount including GST paid by dealer B. Paid by dealer B is equal to 7,200 plus GST is 18%. So 18% of 7,200. 18% of 7,200. Do this calculation in the working column. That is better. If you are doing that here itself means you will forget to add this 7,200. So better do this calculation in the working column. So which is equal to, do that. Before that, do the working column. 18 by 100 into 7,200.
1,296. 1,296.
Okay, 1,296 is the value of 18% of 7,200. So, which is equal to 7,200 plus 1,296. So, final answer
8,496.
8,496. 8,496. Understood this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next 9th question. Study properly, okay. Read that each and every sentence, understand that sentence, then only you can do this chapter. It is easy, but you want to read that sentence carefully, then only you can do it. Then, 9th question. 9th question. The market price of an article is 6,000. A wholesaler sells it to a dealer at 20% discount. The dealer further sells the article to a customer at a discount of 10% on the market price. If the rate of GST at each stage is 18%, find the amount of tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government. So, Marked price of an article is 6,000. Anything written? Wholesaler sells to a dealer and then to the customer. No. So transaction is between wholesaler, then to dealer, then to customer. After that, I understood, I think so. Wholesaler, dealer. Marked price of an article is 6,000. So marked price is given as 6,000. Don't write, first listen. The discount is given as what? 20% discount. Discount is given as 20%. So what will be the selling price of the wholesaler? Marked price is given as 6,000. Discount is given as 20%. He is giving a discount of 20%. So what will be the selling price of the wholesaler?
20% of 6,000.
20% discount means he is selling first A exercise. Same way, no?
70% of
80%.
100, 20.
80%.
A selling price of the wholesaler is what? Selling price of the wholesaler will be 20% discount he is giving. So 80% of the marked price. Marked price is what? 6,000. Understood? So selling price will be 80% of 6,000. Right down. Marked price of an article is equal to 6,000. Discount is equal to 20%. Therefore, selling price of the wholesaler is equal to, don't write 20%. Selling price only we are writing, not the discount. 80% of 6,000. Ashfaq, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Always committing mistakes about that. Last time also, first year exercise ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും 20% എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. Now also. Ashfaq, no, I think so.
ഞാനൊന്നുമില്ല.
Then who?
അഭിനവ്.
Abhinav. 80%. Who answer? 80 by 100 into 6,000. Final answer. What is this?
4,800.
4,800. Okay. Selling price of the wholesaler, we got it at 4,800. So here we can write. For our convenience, we are writing that. SP is equal to 4,800. So what will be the CP of the dealer? Therefore,
4,800.
4,800 itself. CP of the dealer is equal to 4,800. Next, read the question. The dealer further sells the article to a customer at a discount of 10% on the marked price. The dealer further sells to the customer at a discount of 10% on the marked price. So what is the meaning of that?
90% of
6,000.
90%
90% of 6,000.
will be what? 90% of 6,000 will be
SP of dealer.
SP of dealer is equal to 90% of 6,000. Got the meaning of that sentence? Girls?
yes, ma'am.
Alna? Alna. Answer. SP of dealer.
5,400.
SP of dealer is equal to. Basil. Sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
Keeping.
No, ma'am.
Okay, SP of dealer is equal to answer Basil. SP of dealer 90 by 100. 90 by 100 into 6,000. Answer SP of dealer. Got 5,400?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
5,400. So what about CP of the customer?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
Ma'am.
Write down. CP of customer is equal to 5,400. Again read the question. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Dealer to the government. Dealer to the government. So what will be? Do we want to find a wholesaler to dealer? GST?
No.
Hmm?
No, no.
Yeah.
Paid by dealer A. Here A, no? Okay. Not written there, no? Market price, that one. Okay. Let be there. So what are the things we want to? Next we want to find which one? We have CP, we got ST, we have then GST we can. GST of dealer. Given GST is 18%. So how can we write GST of the dealer?
18% of 5,400.
GST of dealer, given GST is 18%. So we can write 18% of 5,400. That is 18 by 100 into 5,400. So answer what?
And 174.
18 by 100 into 5,400 is what?
97,200.
972.
972.
972.
Sorry, what I wrote here?
And 972.
972.
One mistake here, no? GST of which one? Dealer is the
Customer.
that sentence. We are doing this, no? This transaction we are doing, no? No one asked me the doubt. What I wrote here? GST of dealer, is it correct?
No.
No, ma'am.
GST of dealer, what I wrote 18% of 5,000. 18% of 5,000 means dealer to the customer transaction. So what we want to write instead of dealer? GST of
Customer.
customer only we want to write, no? Customer. Transaction is from dealer to customer. This GST now we are finding. So GST of customer is equal to 18% of 5,400. So answer is what?
972.
972. 972. So this GST is 972 dealer to customer. The next step, we want to find out which one. Find the amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Dealer to amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government we want to find. So dealer we want to find out means this GST is known as GST of the customer. This is known as what? What tax?
Output tax.
Government tax.
That means name of that
Output
is
tax.
what?
Output tax.
Output tax.
Output tax. This we want to find out. Tax paid by the dealer to the government. Tax paid by the dealer to the government we want to find out. So how can we find dealer to the government? For finding the tax paid by the dealer, we want to find out which tax.
Input tax.
Input tax also we want to find out. How can we find the input tax? That is the GST of GST of
Dealer.
dealer. Very good. GST of dealer we want to find out. GST of dealer, another name for GST of dealer is known
Input
as
tax.
input tax. GST of customer is known as output tax.
Output tax.
If you write like this way, it will be easy. That is better, I think so. So dealer, GST of dealer is equal to same tax, no, GST 18%.
80% of 4,800.
4,800 is equal to 18 by 100 into 4,800 value
864.
864. So here we got 864. That is known as the input tax. So what they asked to find out? Find amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Write down. So net tax or amount of tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government. Either you can write amount of tax paid by dealer to the government, same step, or net GST. Both are correct. If you are writing like question model means that you write, or our formula model means which one? Net tax. Net tax will be net tax paid by dealer is equal to output tax minus input tax
Input
is equal to net tax paid by dealer B is equal to output tax minus input tax, that is 962 minus
800.
86.
108.
108.
108.
100.
Instead of this net tax paid by the dealer, instead of this you can write the same step, amount of tax paid by dealer to the government. That also you can write. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
108.
108. Okay. Then next one. What about the time?
1050.
1050.
10:50.
10.
Okay, 10:50. So 10 and 11. No. That I will send you the video. That is better. Okay. 10 and 11. If you have any doubt, please tell me. We can arrange a Zoom meeting Sunday. 9 and 10. No, 10 and 11. I will send the video. Okay. If
Yes, ma'am.
anything need me, I will say arrange a Zoom meeting Sunday. So Monday you will have the test paper. So Saturday study well. Doubts we can clear on Sunday. Sunday, if you have any doubt, please contact me. We can arrange the test at 6 p.m. Okay. Okay or not?
Zoom meeting. Zoom lode.
Thank you.
Or morning?
I'm Zoom lode.
Or morning?
No, ma'am. No morning.
Morning you study. Sunday morning you study. Then evening I will clear your doubts if needed means.
Maybe.
Then Monday test paper. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.